Okay. Now we gotta get the gun ready, and I want you guys to open the door, okay? Then I'll shoot him.
Right, Dad.
Okay, let me go make sure the door's unlocked.
Not locked. Yes, locked.
Oh, it's locked.
Locked. Nope, didn't forget.
No, it's already started. Okay, he just pulled in.
Oh gosh.
Okay?
Are you gonna get out of the way, guys? Is it already started? Oh, it's already started.
Okay, look, you open the door, and then I'm gonna come out and shoot him, okay?
Tanner's downstairs. Oh, let's not touch this. Oh, you're gonna see right there. Okay.
I have to look through the window and tell you when he's here.
Okay, tell me when
Don't
he's
touch
coming.
it.
Here!
Did you expect that?
Oh, we videoed it.